Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of changing the trigger on your Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a precision screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, and a small brush for cleaning. Start by unplugging the vacuum cleaner and placing it on a clean, flat surface. Using the precision screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the back panel of the vacuum. There are typically 3 screws to remove, so be sure to keep them in a safe place. If you don't have the right tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home to make this process easier. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to this panel. If necessary, use the tweezers to disconnect any clips holding the wires in place. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any components. Now, with the back panel removed, you'll see the internal mechanism of the trigger. Use the small brush to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. A clean interior not only helps with functionality but also prolongs the lifespan of your vacuum. Next, locate the trigger assembly. You will see a couple of screws holding it in place. Remove these screws using your precision screwdriver. Keep in mind that these screws are often smaller than the ones used for the back panel, so ensure you're using the right bit. After removing the screws, gently lift the trigger assembly out. Inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If you find that the trigger is indeed faulty, you can replace it with a new one. Make sure to check that the new trigger is compatible with your Dyson SV14 model. Before installing the new trigger, it's a good practice to clean any areas that might have dust or debris. If you're unsure about performing this repair yourself, we provide professional diagnosis without obligation, so feel free to reach out to us. Now, place the new trigger assembly into position and secure it by replacing the screws you previously removed. Ensure it's snug but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. Reattach the back panel by connecting any wires again if you had disconnected them. Secure the panel with the screws, and once again, make sure they are tightened properly but not overly so. Finally, give your vacuum a thorough check to ensure everything is in place. Plug it in and do a quick test to confirm that the trigger is functioning correctly. If you experience any issues or would prefer a hands-off approach, remember, no calls, no travel, just let us handle the repair for you. We also offer a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs up front. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the trigger on your Dyson SV14. Regular maintenance and occasional repairs like this can keep your vacuum running smoothly for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.